Did you know your Ford Mach-E can be equipped with ABlueCruise hands-free driving?
It's available on certain divided highways called Blue Zones. Adding hands-free highway driving when using intelligent adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane centering, and speed sign recognition.
It allows you to take your hands off the steering wheel while the system accelerates, brakes, and steers your vehicle within the lane. It uses advanced infrared driver-facing cameras that are located above the steering wheel to make sure that you're paying attention during ABlueCruise.
Before activating ABlueCruise, there's a couple steps you have to do. Make sure adaptive cruise control is set to on, as well as lane centering with hands-free. Once those features are set to on within the touchscreen and you are in a blue zone, go ahead and enable cruise control on your steering wheel. There is also a toggle switch to adjust your speed up or down. There is also a button on the top right where you can adjust the following distance to the vehicle in front of you.
Once the system is on, the color of the indicator turns blue to show you that your Ford ABlueCruise is on and that you're in hands-free mode. If the system determines that you're not looking at the road, ABlueCruise cancels, quickly activates, and releases the brakes and slows your vehicle down while maintaining speed control.
That's the Ford ABlueCruise hands-free driving.